back to my kitchen. Today, I'm making something extra special. Add 1 tablespoon of salt in water. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Two tablespoons of garam masala. And 2 glasses of rice in water. Let it boil until it's 80% cooked. Like, share, and subscribe. Add food color in water. And potatoes as well, and let it boil. Now add 1 cup of oil. And big size sliced onion. Fry until it's brown. And set aside. Now add 1 kg chicken and fry. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add 3 to 4 tomatoes and fried onion in it. And blend it well. And add it in it. Add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri lal mirch powder. Red chili powder. One tablespoon of salt. And biryani masala. Garam masala 1 tablespoon. Imli. Jafal Javitri 1 tablespoon. Give it a good mix. Let it cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Now add boiled potatoes in it. Two tablespoons of lemon juice. Three to 4 green chilies. Now remove half of it and set aside. Add half rice in first layer. Now add prepared masala on it. And second layer of rice. Fried onion. Food color. Lemon. Coriander. Let cook for 10 minutes on low flame. It's perfectly cooked. Oh wow, it's so delicious. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in the next one.